All right. The evidence doesn't look good for you. This report, explain it.
The numbers are all there.
Oh, you're playing hardball, huh? I see perps like you all the time. People that create spreadsheets with a dozen different tabs or PowerPoints with tiny little numbers that no one can read. Take this report. Your handwriting's all over it. You expect anybody to understand any of this?
There were revisions.
Oh, we've got witnesses. Your coworkers say meetings last 45 minutes just trying to understand these reports. With Tableau, this case would have been solved in 5.
Yeah, okay. That actually makes sense.
You're going to be charged with first-degree dashboard confusion. If you're lucky, the judge might let you off with community service. Maybe a public service announcement.
If someone you love is suffering from messy data reporting, please call the hotline below. Or join us for our breakout session, Turning Data into Decisions, a Tableau Reporting Workshop at EDGEovation 2026. Together, we can end messy data reporting.